PRX crystals are buy one get one free at $5.99. So you guys would pay $5.99, but then you guys will get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $4.99 or $2.49 a piece if you want to do that deal. The Snuggle sheets and the liquid is currently on sale for $2.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon. You guys will get them for $1.99. You can also do the same deal with all, so you guys can get those for $1.99. Same deal, again, $2.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $1.99, but then you get a $2 register reward. And then you guys can also go to the mouthwash, and it would be $2.99, and there's a $1 off coupon for this. This one has a 3 off of 2, but I'm using it for a different deal. So it's either what you guys want to do, but it's not worth doing the 3 off of 2 because you only get one $2 register reward. So for the Oral-B, they are currently on sale for $2.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $1.99, but you do get a $2 register reward. So you guys would have to do them in separate transactions if you want to do them in the toothpaste or the mouthwash, including the toothbrushes. Pro Defense right now is always going to be $5.99. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use, and then there is a $2 rebate for Ibotta, a limit of 3. So what you guys want to do is you want to buy 2 of them. You want to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $8.98, but then you get 4,000 points for buying 2, plus you guys will get $2 times 2 on Ibotta, making them just 98 cents. That's 49 cents a piece. So the Fabuloso is $1.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $3.98, but then you get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 after 2 points. You guys can also do the same deal with Palmolive, and then you can also do the deal with Suavitel, but they are currently sold out right now. There is a different deal for Palmolive. It is currently $1.99, but we have one 50-cent off coupon that you guys can use. It's a digital coupon. You guys would end up paying, I forgot to add this up, give me one second. So the Palmolive deal is just a little bit different, but is again $1.99. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would end up buying 2 of them. You would pay $3.48, but then you get 2,000 points, making it $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece. For Renewza, they are currently on sale for 89 cents. We do have 2 different digital coupons. We have a buy 4, you get 2 free. Otherwise, we also have a $2 off digital coupon. This is from coupons.com, so you guys can either use either one. But with the buy 4, you get 2 free. You guys would pay $3.56, but then you can submit a $2 rebate off of Ibotta off of 5. Comes out to be $1.56 or just 26 cents a piece. Or if you guys have the $2 off digital coupon, you guys would end up paying $3.34 for 6 of them, but then you guys will get that $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.34 or 22 cents. Now I'm not sure if it will repeat. I know sometimes people do multiple transactions. I don't know if it'll reset, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up.